Hustle maniacs, I know you're crazy about your dreams, you're crazy about your money, you're crazy about your future. I am your platform partner, your hustling homie Jackson, all about helping you take action and becoming the boss of your life. This episode, I want to make sure that your money is taking center stage. I want to speak with you about not just money, but we're going to talk about some terminology, and it's going to sound like we're going to the zoo. Some of you are familiar with this, but if it's brand new to you, then congratulations, because this is progress. So I want to talk to you about the difference between a bear market and a bull market. If you ever look into the stock market, or we're seeing a crash and a recession, these business cycles, right? When money goes up, a lot of jobs and money goes down. You ever watch CNN or CNBC or any business show, they're either going to talk about it's a bear market or a bull market. Well, many of us don't know this language, and if you don't know the language of money, it's very difficult to master your money. So I want to give you real quick a brief explanation of the difference. So a bull, think of a bull market is when prices are growing. Prices are going up in that market. Think about a bull is attacking by going up. So prices are going up. Prices are charging forward, right? Think about a bull, you think about summertime. It means things are being fruitful. It's time to expand. That means it's growth. The bear market is the opposite. The bear they're attacking going down. A bear is going to claw you down. So if you think about a bear, that's like winter time. They're hibernating, they're going to sleep, and that's a time when the money is like a recession. It's restricted in that market. So when someone says, hey, this is a bull market, that means we are in a season of growth where prices are going up. A lot of people are buying and investing. There's a lot of money that's flowing in and being invested, and prices are going up. When you hear bear market, that means it's almost like prices are going down. People are selling. People are getting rid of their investments, getting rid of their stocks, and it's a season of slow moving money. So keep that in mind. Put this in your pocket. Spend it when you need it. Make sure you subscribe to this page. Share this video with a friend, family member, and always remember that you have everything that you need to go to the next level. It's not just about what you know, but it's about what you do with what you know. I'm your platform partner, your hustling homie Jackson, all about making things happen, addicted to the action. Peace. 24 hours in a day. 24 ways to get paid. You got 24 hours. You got 24 hours. You ain't about your money, then get away from around me. So I'm about to give you more so you can overdose. I'm about to give you more so you can overdose. I'm about to give you more so you can turn my music. Turn my music. I'm about to give you more so you can